There's a definite change. What in the world? Oh, what in the world? Jeez, he's definitely expanded. Got straight towards me again. What the heck? Why is this head? Looks like an egg. Oh my god, I can't even stay balanced in this. Oh, my sunglasses is gonna go down. Wait, which one's the fat mirror? No, that looks maybe looks fat. God. Oh god. I feel like I'm on the DFDS again. God, I can't even stay balanced. Oh my. It feels like it's definitely leaning to one side a lot. I don't know if they expanded it more. That's a curious cat. Oh god, this is where you walk. This is the wall. Ow! Man. Oh, what did you do to her? Oh no! Ah! Unique. Try and avoid the beam as possible. Alright. Oh no! I can't even see with my sunglasses on. Man, I found this on the bobbins. You can't even see anything. Oh, I hate this. This is, yeah. Oh no, this is even more. Oh my, this is not good. Ah! I'm definitely more disciplined. I don't remember doing this. But they open it up and it's more discombobulated. This is, hopefully they fix the rolls on this section. Yeah, you can see it's on an angle. This is very discombobulated. How do I stop? I'm doing a black, but look. Oh, there we go. It's very discombobulated. It's not called that.